Good morning. Welcome back to Max class. I think all are safe at home. Okay, fine. We are going to discuss the unit number world. Do you remember large numbers that we have discussed? Yes, which are they? Lakh, it is the smallest 6-digit number. Then 10 lakh, it is the smallest 7-digit number. Then crore, it is the smallest 8-digit number. Now, let us begin today's class. Look at the question. Write down 5 numbers between a lakh and 10 lakh. Read the numbers. We know that a lakh has 6 digits. So we have to write any 6-digit number. Now I give 2 examples for you. Look, this is a 6-digit number. It lies between lakh and 10 lakh. Can you read? Yes. 5 lakh 63,201. Next number is 8,32,652. Children, you must find out any 3 6-digit number and write it down. Okay? Children, please look at this table. By analyzing this table, we can easily read the large numbers. Look, here the numbers are written in different colors. Is it? Yes. And also the numbers are written according to their place values. Here red color shows crore and green color shows lakh and blue color shows thousand. Red 1 and 10 are categorized as one group and is given to black color. We have already known how to read 3-digit numbers. Now all the digits are arranged into different groups. Thus we can easily read large numbers. Let us try to read these numbers one by one. Look at the first row. We can easily read these 3-digit number. Is it? That is 3 is in the 100 place, 2 is in the 10 place and 0 is in the 1's place. We can read as 320. By moving backward, here 2 and 6 lies under 1000. So it can be read as 26,320. Again we move on to backward. 4 and 8 comes under lakh. So we can read as 48 lakh 26,320. Again we move on to backward. Here 5 lies in the crore place. Now do you read this large number? Yes. 5 crore 48 lakh 26,320. Look at the second row. Here the number is 216. That is 216. Then 40 comes under 1000. So 40,216. Again 7 and 5 comes under lakh. So we can read as 75 lakh 40,216. Again we move on to backward. Here 8 comes under the crore place. So we can read as 8 crore 75 lakh 40,216. Look at the third row. 754, 64,754. Then again come to the lakh. That is 20 lakh 64,754. Here we see the digit up to 10 crore. 2 and 4 lies in the same group. That is, it lies under crore value. So we read it as 24 crore 20 lakh 64,754. Now I think you can easily read the last one. That is 86 crore 13 lakh 35,923. Dear children, what we have to do? Yes, we have to group the digit of a large number according to their place value. Is it? Yes. Here we give different colors for each group. Is it? Yes. By doing so, we can easily read large numbers. Children, without writing the place value of the numbers, we can easily identify each group by put comma mark at the end of each group. We put comma mark from right to left end. Here 320. This is one group. So we put comma at the end of this group like this. Then next group is 1000. After this group we mark comma here. The next group is lakh. At the end of this group we put comma here. By doing so we can easily read the large numbers. Now I think you are able to read large numbers by grouping the digit as 100, 1000, lakh and crore. Okay. Now we are going to find out the distance of planets. Here the table gives the distance of the planets from the sun. By analyzing this table, you can easily find out the answers of these questions that lies below the table. Look at the question. First one, what is the distance of the earth from the sun? Here is the distance of earth from sun. How do we read? By grouping the digit, we can easily read this number. 1, 10, 100. Put a comma here. Then 1000, 10,000. Mark comma here at the end of this 1000 group. Then lakh, 10 lakh. After this group, put a comma here. Okay. Now we can easily read this number. 14 crore, 96 lakh and 11. Look at the next question. What is the distance of Jupiter from the sun? Jupiter is the largest planet. Then you find out the distance of Jupiter from sun. Here is the distance of Jupiter from the sun. First we group these digits. After 100 place, put a comma here. Then put comma at the end of 1000 group and at the end of lakh group. Then read this number. Yes, 77 crore, 83 lakh, 33,000. Then go to the next question. What is the distance from the sun to its nearest planet? Which is the nearest planet? Yes, Mercury is the nearest planet. Yes, this is the distance between the Mercury and the sun. How do we read? Yes, 5 crore 79 lakh 9,175. Okay. Then move on to the last question. What is the distance from the sun to its farthest planet? Which is the farthest planet? Yes, Neptune is the farthest planet. How do we read? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Here 450 lies in the crore group and 43 comes under lakh. So we read it as 450 crore, 43 lakh. The distance between Neptune and the sun is 450 crore, 43 lakh kilometer. Okay. Children, you please read these numbers. Okay. Children, we have learned different form of 1000 in lower classes. Now let us recall. Here 1000 is equivalent to 1000 ones. How many tens in 1000? Yes, 110 makes 1000. 100 into 10 equal 1000. How many 100 in 1000? Yes, 10 100 make 1000. How many 1000 in 1000? Yes, 1000. That is 1 into 1000 equal to 1000. Suppose if we have 1000 1 rupee coin, it is equivalent to 1000 rupees. If we have 100 10 rupee note, it is equivalent to 1000 rupees. Or we can say that 10 100 rupee note make 1000. Okay. Then many form of 10,000. Here 10,000 can be written in different forms. That is 10,000 ones. In 10,000 how many ones? 10,000 ones. How many tens? Yes, 1000 tens make 10,000. Then how many hundreds? Yes, 100 make 10,000. How many thousands in 10,000? Yes, 10 thousands make 10,000. 10 into 1000 is equal to 10,000. How many 10,000 in 10,000? Yes, one 10,000 make 10,000. If we have 10,000 1 rupee coin, it is equal to 10,000 rupees. Children, we can easily find out how many tens in a particular number or how many hundreds in a number. The method is, we know that in 10 there is only one zero. So we cut one zero from 10,000, we get a number, that is 1000. That means 1010 make 10,000. That means 1010 make 10,000. We know that in 100 there are two zeros. So we cut two digits from the right end, or we cut two zeros from 10,000, we get 100. That means 100 make 10,000. Like that, in 1000 how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros. So we cut 3 digits from 10,000, or we cut 3 zeros from 10,000 at the right end. We get the number as 10. That means 10,000s make 10,000. In 10,000 how many zeros? Yes, 4 zeros. That means you cut 4 digits from the right end. That is, cut 4 zeros at the right end. We get the number as 1. That means 1 10,000 in 10,000. Can you got it? Yes. Children, look at the different form of lakh. Yes, we know that 1 lakh ones make 1 lakh. Then how many tens in 1 lakh? Yes, 10,000 tens in 1 lakh. Can you say how will you find out? Yes, we know that in 10 there is only one zero. So we cut 1 zero from the lakh, or we cut 1 digit from the right end. Then the number is 10,000. That means 10,010 make lakh. Then can you say how many hundreds in lakh? Yes, we know that there are 2 zero in 100. So we cut 2 zero, that or 2 digit at the right end from the lakh. Then we get the number as 1000. So we can say that 1100 makes 1 lakh. Then how many thousands in lakh? We know that 1000 has 3 zeros. So we cut 3 zero from the right end. So we cut 3 zero from the lakh. We get the number as 100. That means 100,000 make 1 lakh. How many 10,000 make 1 lakh? Yes, we know that in 10,000 there are 4 zeros. So we cut 4 zeros from the lakh. We get the number as 10. That means 10,000 make 1 lakh. Then how many lakh in 1 lakh? We know that lakh has 5 zeros. So we cut 5 zeros from lakh. We get the number as 1. That means in lakh there is only 1 lakh. These are the different forms of lakh. Children, you should write the different form of lakhs in the textbook itself. This is a homework question. Write 10 lakh in different forms. You must write it down in your notebook. Let us see this activity. Here 85,492 can be splitted in different forms. According to the place value, 2 ones, 9 tens, 4 hundreds, 5 thousands and 8 10,000. According to the place value, we split this number. Here this number can be splitted in another form, that is 2 ones, 9 tens, 4 hundreds, 85 thousands. Here the number can be written as 854 hundreds, 9 tens and 2 ones. We know that 100 has 2 zeros, so we cut 2 digits from the right end. Then we got it as 854 hundred, 9 tens and 2 ones. Look here, here the number is splitted in the form of tens and ones only. How will you write? How many tens? Yes, we know that 10 has only 1 0. So we cut 1 digit from the right end. So the number is 8549. That means 8549 tens and 2 ones. Here we splitted the number based on their place values. Look at the next question. Fill the blanks with the suitable numbers. Here some clues are given. We find out the number. Look, 6 ones, 3 tens, 48 hundreds, 2 10,000s and 3 lakh. From this we can easily identify that this is a 6-digit number. Can you guess the number? Yes, the number is 3,24,836. Look, 3 lakh, 2 10,000, 4,800, 3 tens and 6 ones. Here also this number is splitted into 4 different ways. Let us fill one by one. How many lakh? Yes, 3 lakh. How many 10,000? 2 10,000. How many tens? Yes, 483 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. Here we can split this number based on their place values that are given. Look, here 6 ones. Can you write 3 tens? No, we cannot see the place value of 100 and thousands. So we must write the numbers that lies under the 1000 and 100 in terms of tens. That is, it must be converted in the form of tens. When we consider these 4 digits, that is 4,836, how many tens are there? Now you know how to find out tens. Yes, we know that in 10 there is only 1 0. So we must cut 1 digit from the right end. That is 483 tens. So we write it as 483 tens, 2 10,000 and 3 lakh. Now can you fill this box? Yes, here we can see lakh, 10,000, 100 ones. So based on this we can split this number. Then can you tell how many lakh? Yes, 3 lakh. How many 10,000? Yes, 2 10,000. Then how many hundreds? Yes, 48 hundreds. How many ones? 36 ones. 3 lakh, 2 10,000, 48 hundreds. How will you got? Yes, we know that 100 has 2 zeros. So we cut 2 digits from the right end. Then we get it as 48. That is 48 hundreds. Then 36 ones. Here we can split the number only in the term of tens and ones. In this number, that is 3,24,836, how many tens? Yes, we cut 1 digit from the right end. We get the number as 32,483. That is 32,483 tens and 6 ones. All of you write it in your notebook. This is an homework question for you. You must split 1,36,749 in different forms. Okay. Now let us wind up today's class. If any doubt, contact me. Okay. Thank you.